Okay. We can do this.
Okay, ready?
What if it goes higher, does the frame get higher? That might just be me being stupid. Yeah, that was stupid. Or did it go higher? It did. It didn't. It didn't. Hello?
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna get back into the basement for a tornado. Okay, we have to go to the basement and then you have to find cover.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. I love you.
Shannon, can you hear me?
Yes, I got it. I love you.
Go find cover, okay? I love you.
You guys, we were choreographing dance in a dance studio. We are currently in a tornado warning.
We're so confused.
We
Where
got-
do we go? We're all by ourselves. Our
Literally.
little defenseless self.
Like, we're so defenseless.
Then Caroline called us and she was like, "Are you guys okay?" And I was like, "Yeah, we're dancing."
We're just fine. Like, we're just dancing.
There's a tornado in
And
effect.
literally, I don't know. I've never been in a tornado. I don't know what we're supposed to do.
Come to get us.
I don't know.
Are we meet?
I'm actually like having a little bit
Tell
of
me
an
your phone
anxiety.
Date.
We're just like really hoping we don't have school tomorrow.
Yeah.
Even if we die, you know.
It'll be a good
It's
story
worth
for
it.
our ancestors, which we won't have. But we're just gonna be bad to the bone and just keep dancing. We're bad to the bone.
But to the
So we're gonna be dancing in the middle of a tornado. Because we are badasses.
Just a
Badass. Okay, another tornado watch update.
We have no service.
So people are texting us, but we can't respond
And
that we're
everyone's like,
okay.
where are you?
And we're like, we're in a dance studio.
But nothing will send.
Nothing was sent.
So we're literally stranded.
You know what? We'll die doing what we
love with each other.
each other. So
It's so cute.
update. God forbid we survive.
We survived.
By God's light.
I'm like
survived.
truly surprised. So
Yeah.
oh my god.
Oh my god.
We just watched ourselves because we're what's that called? Like
Self-centered.
self-centered.
We choreographed a dance.
And just so everyone knows, we're not dancers by
Yeah.
any means. So
No. Also, don't like follow us. Just kidding.
I was like, follow us. We would like to see you guys do this dance. Retweet Adventures in Jason Shan dance.
Tag
Fun
us.
time.
We will enter a giveaway.
We will give you an iPad if you actually do this because we're that sad.
So,
So yeah, we challenge you guys to do
Our dance.
our dance.
Because it's just that
It's
good.
called One Time. We danced the tornado away.
That's the thesis.
This is currently gonna be a mess at first.
Yeah.
Okay, we certainly didn't film this one time. One more time.
One more time.
time.
One more time.
Us. Okay, this is it.
This is it.
Okay, okay, this is it.
This is it.
You know you got that thing that makes the girls all swing. You know exactly what you do. You like the hit and run. You say it's all for fun. You think that I'm the one for you. One time, one time, one time. One time, one time, one time. Boy, if you wanna go, I would not mind. But I'm not the kind of girl you play one time. One time, one time, one time. One time, one time, one time. Boy, if you wanna go, I would not mind. But I'm not the kind of girl you
Okay,
We hope you enjoyed our vlog. We had a stressful night.
sweaty tornado-y time.
Actually wasn't stressful at all.
It wasn't this kind of time.
Yeah. Everybody else had a stressful night.
Yeah, but we were just dancing, yeah. So thanks for watching. Do the dance. We challenge you.
That was so cringy.
And we will give you a laptop.
Wow. Yes.
Or
college kids can totally afford that. Or like and subscribe. Bye!
You would always